Hey guys, Dan here from Teralume. Today we're going to be fitting our X1 bracket that we've made for the Rhino Rack Platform V2. So if you've got a rack like this that's been fitted off with our brackets already, this was pre-existing, so these had to be fitted whilst this rack was on there, and that can prove to be a little bit challenging, but we have found a trick, and it involves a magnet. It's 530mm. Keep in mind this one is flexible and the end of it is quite narrow, so you can actually get through the channels with ease. Now what we need to do is come out the back here. We need to slide this 25mm channel nut through the channel from the underside. Now you can do that from two ways. You can get on the top if you need to go midway through your rack and bring it through. We're going to choose the more logical choice at the back here and slide it through the back just to show you how that happens. So through the back here, we slide I'm on a milk crate. Small step ladder will suffice. Slide it through to when it stops. You can feel that what it's going to be doing is hitting this bracket, this backbone bracket. You may have a vortex foot or a HD foot, something like that. But at some point you're going to hit resistance and it's going to hit that. And you have to somehow bring that channel nut onto the outside of the backbone or your foot. So what we do, like I said before, just get a little magnet and draw it through. That's done. Saves a lot of heartache. And then of course, as I said, this is pre-wired and pre-existing. You can then bring your light up to where it needs to be and gently just catch the thread as you put your bracket on and meet it with the channel nut up above. So as you can see, that's just fitted up beautifully there. As I did mention, you do have, just loosen off a little bit, the ability to slide that in and out like that. And you do have the ability to hard mount them and fix them off on the angle. So it's pretty simple. As I said earlier, 10mm gets that tight. So all we've used today is a 500mm magnet. It's got a 12mm head, and that allows you to slide through the channel and grab that channel nut, bring it over the mounting system. To tighten it off, all that's required is a 10mm. You can choose either an open end or a ring end. I think an open end's a little bit easier, especially if you're mounting them close to the mounting system. And simply adjust as you need to, pull them in or out as you need to as well. The reason why we do make them adjustable and they do sit slightly off the vehicle is so you don't create a shadow that's sitting and starting all the way out there. So we've brought the light out as close to the edge of the vehicle as we can, so your light falls vertical instead of starts out a metre or two. So there you have it guys, that's how we fit our bracket system in our X1 to the Rhino Rack itself. All that's required to fit the rack to the bracket is a 10mm. All that's required to fit the light to the bracket is a 3mm and an 8mm. A 3mm Allen key to hold the front, and to do up the back of the bolt, just an 8mm. So really simple, very sturdy design, mounts in under 5 minutes, and wiring, we've got all of the accessories you may need. Thanks for watching guys, see you next time.